Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. Today I will show you how to solve a common issue on RHEL9. The root user cannot log in via SSH after installation. This happens because for security reasons, RHEL9 disables root SSH login by default. Let's go through two methods to enable it. Method 1. During installation, the first method is very simple. When you are installing the RHEL9 system, make sure to check the option that allows the root user to log in via SSH. If you select this option during installation, root will be able to log in right away after the system finishes installation. Okay, select it. Method 2. After installation, if you forget enable it during installation, you can configure it manually. First, select RHEL9 username root. Tap your password. Open a terminal. You need to confirm information. IP address this. Okay. Now, confirm the software. Install. Open SSH server. Right. Nothing to do. Complete. Okay. Now, client is RHEL8. Open the client. Root. Username root. Password. Open terminal. Here is RHEL9. Now you can SSH root this IP. Oh, sorry. Okay. Type the password. Now, you can script display screenshot. This is denied. Cannot log in. So, okay. Come back. There. Sorry. Okay. Clear. Okay, step 1. Open the SSH configure file. bin/etc/ssh/sshd underline configure. Okay, you find this. Look for the lines. Let's say this. Okay. Change it. Here. Modify yes. Okay. Okay. Now save the file and restart the SSH service. Type the command system control restart SSHD. Now, system status SSH. Now, this app active, right? Okay. Now select the RHEL8. Again the command SSH root RHEL9 IP address 102. Okay. Input the password. Okay, right. You are successful. Log in the RHEL9. Good job. Okay, now the root user will be able to log in via SSH. Great job. You have just learned 2 ways to enable root SSH login on RHEL9. Method 1 is select the option during installation, and method 2 is modifying the SSH configuration file after installation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time.